Alright, so in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all 5 major reasons why your catfish stands upright like this in the pond. For many of us that have been experiencing this particular issue in your catfish pond, so in today's video, we'll be discussing 5 major reasons, 5 major things that causes your catfish to stand upright like this in your pond. Number one is swim bladder disorder. Swim bladder disorder. A common reason for abnormal swimming behavior among your catfish is a swim bladder disorder. And this can be caused by infection. It can be caused by infection, it can be caused by physical injury, and it can be caused by genetic issues. It affects the fish ability to control its buoyancy, leading to unusual posture in the water. That's number one. Number two, stress or illness can make your catfish to stand upright in your pond. Illness, parasites, or poor water quality can stress your catfish, leading to unusual behavior such as standing upright. So always check for signs of illness amongst your catfish. So the third one is oxygen levels. When your catfish pond experience low oxygen levels, it can cause your fish to behave unusually. So always ensure your pond has adequate aeration and the water quality is good. The water quality is top notch. Try and make sure you have a good oxygen level in your catfish pond. The fourth one is our feeding issues. Some of us, we don't know how to feed our fish, and overfeeding or poor diet can also lead to digestive problem amongst your catfish, which in turn makes them to stand upright. So make sure you are feeding your catfish appropriately and avoid overfeeding. Avoid overfeeding. And lastly, environmental factors like changes in their water temperature, their pH levels, or the presence of toxins can cause stress and unusual behavior amongst your catfish. So regularly monitor and maintain optimal water condition in your pond. So these are the 5 major things that that makes your catfish to stand upright in your pond. Number one, swim bladder disorder. Number two, stress or illness. Number three, low oxygen levels. Number four, feeding issue, overfeeding. And lastly, change in water temperature or pH levels. So those are the 5 major things that makes your catfish to stand upright in your pond water. So that will be that for today. I believe you've gotten value from this video once again. Remember to share this video. Thank you for watching to this video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.